So with the plug being inside here,
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment.
there's no lie, Shem. I'm more Shem. But yeah, we got this.
Good morning, fam. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, fam. Good morning, and this is what she got up to. I'm smiling because this is so cute. Guys, I'm 28 on the 28th. What you know about that?
Yeah. So happy birthday, Mom. So what happened is because we have one car, it was very difficult to organize. But again, I just told her that I needed to go out and go get her things. Then she was like, I want to come with you. Then I was like, no, you can't come with me. Then she was like, oh, okay, no problem. So I went, then I got all of these from Chato. Hey, birthdays are expensive, guys. Don't have kids, please. Don't have kids. But I got all of these from Chato, the balloons from Crazy Store, then the flowers, chocolate, and the gold bottle. I just wanted to stay with the theme.
I've been wanting to try this anyway, so
Yeah.
thanks.
So yeah, when I came back, I'm phoning now so that I can surprise you properly. Being an adult is very difficult. But yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get a new car. She needs a car so that she can go away and I can do surprises properly. But yeah, happy birthday, Mutle. She's 28, you guys.
28. Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you, Baba.
So this is her crown birthday. But yes, then also Sanbonani. welcome to a brand new vlog. So yeah, happy birthday, Mutle.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, my lover.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is cute. Hi, that's cute. I like it.
Hey, but these things are expensive, guys. The last time I think I spent like 200 and something back when we used to stay in Fort Loras. When we moved here, I think it was the first couple of days. Then it was Motle's birthday. What did I buy? I bought cake and flowers and a bottle. And that was not as expensive as this. So this, our guys, but yes, it's worth it. It's worth the smile on her face. So yes, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, Baba. This is so... Guys. Oh, this is so cute. And also thank you so much for the birthday wishes on WhatsApp, on Instagram. Thank you so much, everybody. Like, it's the warmest of days because there's so much people that are like, happy birthday, and I'm like, it's my birthday. And more than anything, thank you, Baba.
Thank you. Sorry about the quality of the the footage. I didn't wipe my camera langa pambil. I only wiped at the back. But yeah, Sise Zulu literally. But yes, happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, Baba.
Okay. Happy birthday to you guys too.
Yes, happy birthday, fam. It's our crown birthday.
Yes.
But yes, so banana in a bit because something big arrived today. So we're gonna show you just now. Okay. Fam, this is the big birthday gift. All thanks to my friends, the girls, and Uji. Here is the dishwasher for the mama. I'm so excited and happy. But yes, this is the big gift.
Yes.
Let's unbox her.
So yeah.
And how lucky am I that it actually arrived yesterday and it was scheduled for today? It can only be that. pajamas because I can't even explain it.
Got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.
Da 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 da.
You more smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay.
It's like an arrangement of delivery.
Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Checking for dents, for any marks like that, but otherwise it seems all good on my side.
So this is the new baby. Okay, so our kitchen is almost complete. The only thing that we're missing is a dryer. But this year we figured this is what we buy. Then maybe next year we'll buy a dryer. But it depends. If we need it, what we do, what will be up.
Yeah, we do. So next year again.
I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you.
Okay, so there you go. Remember we moved it because we felt it would make better sense for it to be near the sink. Then what we did, we moved the machine, but yeah, putting that machine was a problem. So what they did, I don't know why they're so dumb, but the plug is there inside the space. So with the plug being inside there, it means now the machine would have had to share the space with the plug this thick. Look at that space. Like why are developers like this, guys? But yeah, tengile, I guess. So the plan is either to have somebody fit in a plug at the back, which is probably gonna, there's gonna be more damage. Second plan is to try drill this, but there at the back. So try drill it somewhere here so that the cable comes out and plugs here. That's the only option we have. But yeah, so far so good. At least we'll still be able to use the machine. But yeah, we're not happy, but we are happy. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Then over there, that's where the dryer is going to be. So yeah, thank you girls. Thank you girls. Yeah, the kitchen is really coming together now.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay.
Good evening, fam. Sorry. Good evening, fam. It's like 6:20 now. We got the dishwasher set up. Spo and Carol helped us, which was very easier than reading the manual. So yeah, they helped us set that up. We had our first load of dishes that had been waiting in the sink for a few days. Yeah.
Yes. So now we're gonna go out. We're planning on going to Melville again. To sort of club hop or bar hop, just to see what they still have. Because again, we haven't been there in a very long time, so we're just gonna go, just see if it's still as fun as it was. But yeah, that's us, and let's go.
Yeah, something. Let's go party. Let's go. We just got here. We ate Melville. Says fabulous. It's a liquid blue because we want half price tickets. Good morning, fam. Good morning. Today's day 2.
Yes.
What happened is that Thursday we skipped Friday because Friday was recovery. There was nothing. Yeah, we could not. We were not. We just spent the day in bed.
Yeah. So yesterday we didn't film. We were just lazing around mostly, but I think the good thing is that we were not sick. We were just tired.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just spent the day just chilling here at home. We watched a bit of TV, some movies. But yeah, so today is Saturday, and we wanna go get a bit of groceries. Not a lot of groceries, but it's mainly for today because we're cooking lunch today. And yeah, now we're gonna have breakfast. It was Mom's birthday a couple of days back.
Two.
Okay, only 2.
I'm not milking it, it's still my birthday week.
So she said she wants cake
for breakfast.
So yes.
We haven't even cut the cake because Thursday we went out. Friday we're like just lazing around and we're really not less for cake. So today's the day.
So yeah, today we're gonna cut a bit of cake and have that for breakfast. Then we head out.
Yeah.
We need to be done cooking by 3, so we have like 4 hours for that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, let's make breakfast and then we make our way.
Yes.
Can't afford to let you in, but we're bad. So what's the harm in one more sin? Take off your halo, you're beautiful. I don't care if it tears me apart. We couldn't let go from the get-go. I think we're past trying to hide who we are. Baby, I don't mind you calling. I'm still awake in my bed. Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want you to act like you still have that halo. Got the halo. Like you still have that halo. You should let it go. Don't stop. I love it when you touch my skin. No, it's bad. Don't care if the walls are caving in right now. I need you to kill off my lonely nights. Otherwise, I'll just be dead inside. I can't keep pretending you don't exist. Hate the lies, you know I can't resist, yeah. Baby, I don't mind you calling. I'm still awake in my bed. Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want you to act like you still have that halo. Got the halo. Like you still have that halo. You should let it go. Sing me to sleep, I need you watching. Don't wanna dream, just lay in the darkness. Sing me to sleep, I need you watching. Don't wanna dream, just lay you
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Fam, we are done with breakfast. We're in the car making our way to Jekyll Creek corner and then we'll be back home. So we'll see you guys when we get there.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try
What do we charge 1 and 4? Eh? So 5 rand.
Saying that's in mine,
Times about 5 rand. That's how much we owe.
What do you think?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good.
What do you think? 1 or 2? It looks very small now that I look at it. Because I've got a bit left over from that day, but it's not a lot. Yes, please. But it's not like a lot.
Can I go through this way?
To win 10,000, Sanalwan. 10,000 rand. I think it's cash. Where's the table? Yeah.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha mig som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans.
We're finally home. Like literally, we've been gone for hours now. Mainly because we went to Gerald Creek Corner. We don't usually go there. So yeah, there was a lot of in and out comparison at shops. But yeah, we got majority of our stuff at Meatworld. Then we went into Pick and Pay for like a few other stuff that we needed. Then this is dumpling. There's a shop there that sells ready-made dumpling. This is how they look. You just heat up and eat. This is like a real lifesaver, right? But economic wise, not cost efficient at all. But if you are pressed for time.
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, this is what we got at this shop. It's called Cosmo Dumpling. Yeah, Cosmo Dumpling. So we got these 2 dumpling packs. Then the rest of the stuff is just like snacks from Pick and Pay. We needed these because we broke the other one, and these are you can't break because it's normal plastic. The other one was like glass-ish plastic. I don't know what it's called, but these we wouldn't be able to break, and it's a 3-pack. Perfect. Otherwise, the rest, guys, is just household items.
Ge mig en chans. Jag var som bäst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min farlife. Det är en chans. Jag var som bäst för att hitta i land. Oh baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt om min farlife.
Fam, I'm just gonna start with the cooking. So I'm roasting the chicken, then we're gonna make stew. So I thought this must roast while we are busy with other things. Then the salads. It's not a lot of work, to be quite honest. Roughly we might just be 5 or 6, it'll depend, but yeah, it's not a lot of us, so it's just quick cooking, then done. We can chill. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then this one, Uchi, please back over this
Someone
one.
must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to give. I don't know why I just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. issue with trust. The reason that you're being it keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. The world keeps on spinning, but without me, oh. It keeps feeling like I still blind to something that everybody else seems to see. Everybody but me.
I'm just gonna be removing I'm swapping this one with that one, so I'm gonna put these dead. So these are dried. I bought a bouquet some time back, and they actually dried, but they're still okay to use. So I thought, let me just keep them. So this is like almost gonna be a year since I've had these. So I'm thinking of swapping out this vase for that one.
To be over, wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
We just finished cooking, fam. Chicken's done, stew is done, potato salad, beetroot, I'm draining it, and then green salad, we'll chop it up and serve when we're about to eat. So we're gonna empty everything from the pots and put them in casseroles. Then we're gonna change and chill just to wait for everybody else who's coming. But yeah, I think at most it's gonna be like 4 of us, I think, at this rate, because yeah, people have plans. Otherwise, yes.
Feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this. Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, and we reverse the fall. Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, and we reverse the fall. I can still remember the first time that we kissed. We feel alive so far. But at some point we miss a right should. And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, can we reverse the fall? Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna forget, can we reverse the fall? Now looking back, yeah, yeah. Oh, looking back. Wanna be your memory, be your memory, wanna be your memory, be your memory, be your memory, wanna be your
Good morning, fam. Today is a Sunday. Yesterday we had lunch, well, a late lunch and chilled a bit. But yeah, today's a Sunday and I'm going out for brunch with the girls. That's why I'm dressed up and she's not, because it's not part of the girls.
Yeah, so she's going out. I need to go to build the store because there are a few things I need to go get. I want to fix a few
things
stuff.
around the house, yeah.
So I'm gonna keep busy with that. If not, I'll just watch TV. But I'll try and keep
He
busy.
most likely would watch TV. I know, no jokes, guys. He does get handy around the house. It's just that when he's bored. But he'll definitely fix those things and watch TV.
Yeah, I'll try. But yeah, that's us for today. Mums is gonna take you guys with when they go to lunch. I think it's brunch.
Yeah, it's brunch.
Yeah. So yeah.
Let's do the fit check. Not bad. Come on, because why is he not suggesting it? Let's G take you guys through my fit for today.
Okay, I'll show you guys the fit. Okay, so this is Mums' outfit. Those are like whoops for girls. Apparently they called palazzo pants. Yeah, she's had a pep before. She looks great in pants, no lie. Shem. I muhle shem. But yeah, we got this two-piece at, is it Cosmo Mall? Yes. At a Chinese shop, Lapaya. We haven't actually been to a Chinese shop in a long time, or an Indian shop, because in Alberton we used to sometimes when we saw something really nice. So this was like an emergency shopping spree sort of thing. And yeah, this is what she looks like. Turn around, Pela, my babe.
Oh, guys, the back.
What's at the
I've
back?
got back.
So this is what it looks like. It's a two-piece. The bow there. Please go back. The bow that I tied there. So that's where the second piece starts. Then from the waist going down, those are the pants. But yeah, then she's also got earrings on, and a necklace on, and a. Is that a purse? Is it called a purse?
I don't know, the back.
Yeah, she got that to match her nails, because her nail tech, I was sabotaging her there. She was supposed to do a glass-ish white,
like white,
similar to that.
to my nails.
So that's what she was supposed to do, but
This is what I got.
this is what she got. Apparently it was supposed to be white as it got dry, but yeah, that's pink.
Which still goes with my bag. So
Yeah.
very things aligned for those who wait in the lunch.
So yeah, this is what moms look like. Give us another 10 around, mama. No. Siyakubona. Ningabi sinidle ezinye izinto lapha. Yeah, so this is what moms look like. Yeah, please don't comment it. Hey, umthole kanjani usisi omuhle kanje lo bhuti angcolile. I did shower, but I did not dress up also. But yeah,
And he cleans up really well. So
sometimes I do.
So today I paralam.
Yeah, but she look nice, mama.
Thanks,
She looks nice, ne? I think so too.
Thank you, Mama. But yes, we're gonna go to brunch together, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Soho's taking me with. She's not dropping you off for the first time, so he's free for the day. And yeah, bye.
I'm not free for the day. I have things to do.
Okay, fine. He's working hard like he always is.
But I'll probably go buy something to eat. Then.
He forgets to eat when I'm not around. Yeah, shame.
I'm busy.
No, I live with his heart.
I'm gonna cut this part out. Okay, so yeah, this is what Moms looks like. I think she's gonna enjoy. They always enjoy their time.
Yeah.
On a few occasions, they always came back vomiting out of windows.
When we were younger.
Yes.
When we were younger, now we're older.
Now,
we're like,
apparently they're older.
we behave
But
better.
yeah, please, I trust Queenie to watch the bill, please, Queenie. Watch
Oh
the
yeah.
bill.
Oh.
But yeah, let's go. Well,
Bye. Now we are sad.
Yeah,
Bye,
but
guys.
yeah, she's gonna take you guys along. Then me, I'm just gonna be here at home. Yeah.
Let me give.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end.
So we're here and we're walking. Here's Soho. We're late, but not that late. Nose is probably mad at us, but yeah. So yeah, we're making our way inside.
Come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone
Hi fam. Okay, so we were 5 million years late.
They were like an hour late, and I'm just like, I just don't get late people. Like, why are you late for brunch?
She's dragging us for
Like,
Phil.
why are you late for brunch?
Like, she's dragging
Like,
us.
why are you late for brunch? I'm kidding. They
But also
birthday
an
girls,
hour late.
It's okay. We'll forgive him. I'll forgive him.
This is the first pardon I get. I'm not doing this again. Mimosa number 1.
again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew
this is like a bouquet of flowers to add on to the dishwasher, like I told you guys on the other day. But yeah, this is where we're at.
And then to our Pisces girl. Happy birthday, I thought you
I want to see it. Oh, that is cute.
Changing my bag right now.
Oh my god. She doesn't want to guess. Like she don't care. That is nice. Oh, so that's nice.
That is gorgeous.
That is nice. Okay, that is cute. That is pretty.
Gorgeous.
I love.
Oh, it's even got a long strap.
That's cute.
And it's detachable.
She loves gifts anyway, so I'm.
Danny, that's like kiss.
Girl,
Anything else but kiss.
In case,
Just letting you know.
That's like
in case you thought.
In case you thought it was like.
Like in case you didn't know.
In case you forgot.
Try to be honestly, look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you are
Guys, they got me a bouquet on top of the dishwasher.
I wanna see how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time.
Okay, so we're done with brunch and we're making our way back home. This is us.
Sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Good morning fam. Today's the 1st of April. Happy new month. Yesterday was good. I really enjoyed myself. Then she came to pick me up a bit later. But yeah, it was a good day.
Yes. Yeah, it was. So yeah, I think you guys went. They came back late though. Yeah, they came back so late. Because they said they're meeting at 11 so that by 1 they are done.
We only left the place at 5 when they were closing, 5:30. They were literally closing and we were the last few people making our way out. Then I waited for Gerald to come get me, which he arrived at 8:30. 8:30. But yes, she came to get me, but we did chill a bit. We came back at 12. Yeah, exactly midnight. Then we were back home. So we couldn't really close off the vlog at that time. We're like, okay, it's fine. We'll do it now, which is the last day of the vlog. Well, the last couple of minutes of the vlog.
Just to clarify, I didn't fetch her at 8:30 at the store. They went to Sepho's place. Because now people are gonna be like, yo, that Abantu was stranded. Yeah. No, she was not stranded.
Yeah, we were chilling at Sepho's.
They went to Sepho's place, then I had to fetch her from Sepho's place.
Yes. Jamie didn't abandon me. But yes, the girls got me flowers. So that's what we're trying to just get into this phase. That I didn't think that it was this big, the flowers. So now she helped me just squeeze them in. I don't know if they'll survive the vase because it looks very small. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
We'll see, yeah.
But yeah, thank you so much, fam, for joining us this week again, spending our birthday with us, spending our birthday with us and the little other things that we got to. But yeah, thank you so much for the likes, the comments, the shares, the subscriptions. We appreciate it so much.
Yes.
Bye. See you next week, same time, same place.